Hi everyone. You want to say hi?
Hi.
All right, so today is Toddler Tuesday and I'm Miss Delana and this is, you want to tell them who you are?
I'm Maivy.
You're Maivy. So this is our friend Maivy, and remember she helps us do our art projects. So today we are going to do watercolor spray paint. And so what we're gonna do is you can take watercolor paper. So here's the watercolor book, and it's just got a bunch of paper in it. And so you can do this in the house, but we're gonna take it outside here in a little bit and do it because that's super fun. And so what you do is you take liquid watercolor and you can put it in a spray bottle. So we're gonna take the liquid watercolor, put it in the spray bottle, and then we're gonna spray it. Maybe, is there anything that you'd like to say to our friend?
We are watercoloring, painting outside.
Yeah, that's gonna be so much fun. And Maybe wanted to sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star for us. So maybe, let's go. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you want me to help you? Okay, here we go.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up, 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 above, so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Ooh, good job. Give me 5. Perfect. That was so nice. And now you get to share that with all the boys and girls. They're gonna love that. Thank you. You ready to go outside?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Did it! I'm playing, guys. Now I'm wearing green paint.
Here it turns green. Look at that. All right, Maybe did her painting. Can you tell everybody bye and that we're gonna see them next Tuesday on Toddler Tuesday?
Bye.
And we'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.
Bye.